Okay, so today it's our day 6 here in Barcelona, Spain, and today we are going in a city tour. And yeah, so we're going around the tourist spots of Barcelona, and yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we're going to take an Uber going to Avinda, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you there guys.
A few inches later.
Hi guys, now we're here at Avenida, and yeah, so we just went shopping, guys, and yeah, so we're gonna have lunch at a Japanese restaurant, and yeah, so yeah, see you inside guys. Alright guys, so me and my brother got katsu set, and yeah, so let's eat.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, now we're done eating and we're just walking around here in Barcelona, and here's the street view. See 6 here. Yeah. So don't know where we're going yet, and yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Alright guys, now we're having refreshments here at the food court, and me and my dad got their strawberry slushy, and here's it guys. So let's try it. So here's our slushy. It's good, no brain freeze at all.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now we're going back to our hotel, and yeah, so we will still walk around though and buy some souvenirs, and yeah, so we're going to take taxi going back to our hotel, so we're gonna see what the hotel. Okay guys, so our day 6 ends here, and it's currently 5 p.m. and sunset will start here at 9 p.m. and yeah, so tomorrow we will fly to Paris, and yeah, so our day 6 now ends here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.